clean Corvette. I think this one is a 63 split window. One of the most desirable Corvettes out there. If you have one of these, hold on to it. Look at this interior, man. Wow, that's all I can say. Beautiful engine bay. Now this Camaro right here, I had to get a video of this. It's 69 with a 427 L88. And this thing is nasty. Body's clean. Beautiful interior. Wow, look at this interior. '55 Bel Air. For all you Bel Air fans out there, let me know what you think of this Bel Air. So you can always tell the level of a restoration by the interior. The interior tells you a lot about the rest of the car. And this one has a nice paint scheme and a nice wheel offset. I had to get this Camaro because the second gens are really starting to pick up, and this one has a really low stance, so I got to kind of squat to get it. It's a 71, but it's sitting just right. 71 second gen Camaro. This thing is pretty badass, and it has a really nice stance on it. They did a great job on giving it just the right look without overly modifying it. Stance is nice. Got a 2000 BMW Z8, made infamous from James Bond, and I believe this is a car Halle Berry drove. They're becoming highly collectible, and man, beautiful lines on this car. Now take a look at this 6x6, you guys. Warlord. Where would you drive this at? The Apocalypse? The end of the World Rally? Got a 68 LT4 Corvette with the modern LT4. Clean, man. So you got all the modern benefits, and it looks like the chassis has been upgraded. It's got a nice wheel all set. Clean car, you guys. Now this is one of the cleanest Mustangs here. It's got a Roush supercharged 427 with a Tremec Magnus. He said Magnus transmission. Man, super clean. Custom subframe, height suspension. I mean, this thing is beautiful. The paint on it is immaculate. And oh my God, look at the spoiler in the back. He's got the spoiler like what you see on the Bugatti. Oh my God, this thing is nasty. And look at these wheels. I've never seen these kind of wheels, and it has inboard brakes on it. So this is a monster. Man, it's beautiful. Let me get a video of this Cadillac for you Cadillac guys. This thing is clean. Look at the lines on this baby.
Why do you have to make everything white? Why can't it be the beautiful color it is?
Convertible, blacked out chrome. Beautiful lines. Man, picture yourself rolling down the strip in this. Let me get a video of the interior for you guys. This interior is sick. Take a look at that. Another Mustang, man. Mustangs are kind of stunting this year. Look, what you guys think about this Mustang?
Your favorite car yet?
Man, this is pretty clean. Got a 67 custom Fastback Mustang. It's another clean Mustang, man. I'm kind of partial because I grew up around Mustangs. My grandpa collected them, so I got to give Mustang props. Got some nice wheels on it. I think it's just fitting for this car and the look they were going for. 62 Thunderbird. These are still one of my favorite cars. And this one is beautiful. The chrome and everything, man. I mean, looks pretty much how it would look when it came out of the factory. The convertible's got really nice lines to them, but I could even take a coupe and be happy. Clean. White on white, you guys. I had to get this 69 Camaro for you guys, custom. Clean. Clean, man. This is how I like to roll. Let me know what's your favorite car in this video. Leave a comment. White on white. Now check out this Corvette, man. This thing is nasty. I want to say this is a Kindig, but I'm gonna have to read the paperwork on it. So it's not a Kindig. This was made by the the Hot Rod Service Company. This thing is clean though, and this is as close as I can get to it right now. I'm gonna have to come back on Super Saturday and get a closer video of it. So I had to get a video for you guys of the Kindig Roadster, and this is based on the older Corvette, but it's been modified so that it's Kindig's version, and each car is numbered, each car is one off, so you'll never have to worry about having another car like another buyer. And they start off at 400,000 and expect to wait a year and a half before you can get yours. But they're beautiful. Beautiful cars, very unique. You're driving art. I mean, look at the wheels. And these are all spec to the customer. Interiors are, man, this is like a Picasso. Tell me what you guys think, and would you pick one of these up for 400,000 on up? Now this is a cool car, an '84 Lamborghini Jalpa, and you don't see too many of these. So it's interesting to see one come up for auction because these are slept on. I think they have a cool shape to them. It kind of reminds me of a Pantera. Get a peek inside for you guys. It's 255 horsepower, V8. Kind of a cool car. Now, my wife's seen this 1993 Hummer H1, and she said this is her next car because she doesn't want to play any games in traffic. And when she says get out the way, you get out the way. This thing is a beast. Check out the interior too. They modified the interior so it's all custom in here. This is like no joke. If anybody thinks they're gonna play footsies on the freeway, you just give them a little shove and they get the hell out your way. Now, I don't know if you guys have seen this car, but this is the Ring Brothers car that went to SEMA and it's been all over the internet, but it's here at the Barrett Cup and it's pretty radical. I know it's not everybody's taste, but the craftsmanship and what they did to the car, I think is pretty amazing. To the truck, actually. Some crazy wide meats on it. Basically slicks. And all custom interior. Badass. Let me know what you guys think. 1956 Ford F600 custom pickup. Oh man, this thing is badass, you guys. Look at that engine compartment. Wow. This thing right here is a beast. Paint job is immaculate. Suicide doors. I mean, wow. I don't see any flaw in the car. I mean, look at that exhaust. Badass, man. Let's take a look at the interior. You can roll 4 deep up in here. And they got it right with the color combination. Oh man, it's clean. 64 Buick. Beautiful car. They were ahead of their time in design, man. The Buick Riviera. Don't sleep on them. And you don't even have to do anything to the interior. That's how it looked when it came out. Man. This is a 69 Pontiac Firebird. We've actually seen this car at SEMA before. This is a bad ride. Super clean.
Look at that color of that.
I mean, the paint job is just it's popping. Did a hell of a job. But you guys get a sneak peek of that interior. You gotta always look at the interior. 69 GTO. Clean build. Look at that intake. Very classy. Just a beautiful car. Right stance. Man. Badass, man. Get your hygiene game up. Go wash your ass. Go to BigHurt916.com and pick you up one of our bundles of soap. We have oatmeal milk and honey, monkey farts, butt naked scrub, island citrus scrub, cool water, and howling at the moon. And get your nutsack right.